It's time for another new Kansas City Spotlight. Here's your host, Belinda Post.
This season is filled with love and joy, but for some, stress, anxiety, and depression may be working overtime. With those with depression or OCD, the holidays can be a challenge. Dr. Sunny Elliott of Sunrise Psychiatry brings new hope with TMS therapy. We take a look at depression, and it's been treated with TMS therapy by insurance companies and covered for about a decade. What's the criteria someone needs to meet?
Yes, so we're extremely grateful that TMS has been covered by insurance for about 10 years now, although it was approved initially back in 2008. So there was a gap of about 8 years before you started seeing commercial insurances step up to the plate and provide coverage as an option to give people a way to be able to treat depression a different way outside of medications. Insurance typically requires that a person have a major episode of depression, and it doesn't actually have to be a recurrent episode of depression. Many insurances will cover for the first episode, but majority of insurances do require that it's considered a severe episode and that a person has had a trial on 2 classes of medications or more.
And if you want TMS therapy here at Sunrise Psychiatry, do you have to be treated by antidepressants?
That's a great question. So many people come to us just with a pure history of medications that they've been on that meet the criteria per insurance to be eligible for TMS. Many people come to us on medications. It's not required one way or the other.
And let's also talk about OCD therapy. Which companies are using TMS therapy and covering it with insurance?
Yes, so we have FDA approval now for not just major depressive disorder and depression with anxiety, but there's also been an approval back in 2018 to cover OCD, which is short for obsessive compulsive disorder. Initially, there were limited TMS machines that were covered by insurance companies for OCD, but in the last year that has expanded. Unfortunately, not all insurances are covering OCD at this time, but we do know that United Healthcare and Cigna are providing coverage for TMS and also for the type of machine that we have, MagVenture. It is also approved for OCD treatment. We encourage people to give us a call if they have questions.
This Kansas City Spotlight has been paid for by Sunrise Psychiatry.